Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to drive from Vancouver on the 5 freeway, hop on Highway 26 to get you to Beaverton. It is kind of a drive, and depending on what time of the day, the traffic can get pretty bad. The reason why I made this video is sometimes when you look at a map, it's hard to visualize what road you're going to go through. So what I did is I made this video so you can see exactly how this drive looks like when you're on the road. What I'll do is when we get to some parts of the freeway where the exits are at, I'll try to give you a heads up on the exits you need to take. Alright, let's get to driving. Okay, we're in Washington heading south on the 5, and you can see the interstate bridge right there in front of us. This bridge has a bridge lift to let the ships and barges go through. So hopefully you're lucky enough to drive through here without the bridge being raised. Otherwise it'll be anywhere from a 15 to 30 minute wait. As soon as you pass this first part of the bridge, there's a little island. It's called Hayden Island, also known as Jansen Beach. So there's a lot of shops, marinas, condos, areas where you can boat launch. There's a Home Depot. There's tons of shops. It's sort of like a mini mall. But it's well worth checking out. Okay, you can stay on the center or fast lane for a while, but eventually you want to be on the right lane because we're going to exit here. I'll let you know when. Usually when I pass the University of Portland sign or Rosa Parks sign or the Rosa Park exit, I switch to the right lane, just out of habit. Okay, it looks like we're coming up on our exit. We're taking the 405 exit to Beaverton. Exit 302B. Just stay in this lane and it'll take you to the 302B 40530 West Beaverton St. Helens exit. Okay, now we're going to go over the Fremont Bridge. It's a pretty big bridge, and to your left you get to see a nice view of Portland and Mount Hood on a clear day. To the right, if you get a chance, you'll see an old building called the Montgomery Ward Building. It's been there for quite some time. And of course we'll be driving over the Willamette River. Again, just stay in this lane. So we just passed the river and we're heading into Portland. Downtown Portland's on the left side and areas of Portland are on the right side also. But we're going to drive through it. Just stay on this lane. If you're familiar with Burnside, Burnside is one of the main streets that runs east to west through Portland. Anyway, that bridge right there in front of us is Burnside. Now you can stay in this lane because this lane is going to veer to the right, or you can see here I'm going to make a lane change and move to the next lane over to the right. We're going to exit here at the exit 1D, 26 West, Beaverton. And stay in this lane. Now we're on Highway 26 heading through the tunnel. Okay, we're heading up a slight mountain here. This area is called the Washington Park area. It's a big park. Beautiful park. If you've never been there, you got to check it out. And also to the right, you'll see the exit for the zoo. The Portland's Children's Museum is also in that area. Just stay in this lane. this van's a little slow, so I'm going to go ahead and maneuver my way around him and get in front of him if I can. Okay, we're back in our lane. Okay, we're going to exit out here. We're exiting at the exit 69A 217 South, Beaverton, Tigard. And we're going to stay in this lane. Since we're going to get off pretty quick here, we want to maneuver ourselves to the right lane to get ourselves in position. Okay, right about now we want to maneuver one lane over to the right to get ourselves in position because our exit is going to be coming up here. Stay in this lane. Okay, our exit should be coming up here. There it is, exit 2A, Highway 8 and Highway 10, Canyon Road, Beaverton Hillsdale Highway. Okay, here's our exit. Just stay on this lane, stay to the right, because we're going to make a right at the light. All right, we're going to be making a right turn. We've reached our destination, and as we make a right, we're going to be entering into Southwest Canyon Road. We're kind of almost in the heart of Beaverton. Beaverton is a large town. So if you can, drive around a bit. You'll find this town pretty interesting. There's a lot of stores, a lot of shops, a lot of businesses, a lot of restaurants, a lot of fast food. Anything you can think of, it's pretty much here in Beaverton, if not in the surrounding cities. But drive around, check it out. Check out the other videos that I got. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.